Binomial Theorem, exercise 7.1, problem 6. Find x plus 1 whole power 6 plus x minus 1 whole power 6. Hence, or otherwise, evaluate root 2 plus 1 whole power 6 plus root 2 minus 1 whole power 6. First, find the value of x plus 1 whole power 6 plus x minus 1 whole power 6 using binomial expansion. Okay. Use binomial expansion. Listen. X plus 1 whole power 6. See, x plus 1 whole power 6 is, what is the formula first? 6c0. 6c0 value 1. 6c0 value 1. 1 times of x power 6 plus 6c1. 6c1 value 6. Okay. 6x power 5 plus 15x power 4 plus 20x cube plus 15x square plus 6x plus 1. This is the expansion of x plus 1 whole power 6 using binomial expansion. NC0, NC1, NC2, NC3, NC4, NC5, NC6. 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. Okay. Same concept, x minus 1 whole power 6. Same, x power 6. So, plus or minus alternates. So, 6x power 5 plus 15x power 4. Okay. Minus 20x cube plus 15x square minus 6x plus 1. Okay. Now, x plus 1, what is the question? X plus 1 whole power 6 plus x minus 1 whole power 6. What is the value of x plus 1 whole power 6? X power 6 plus 6x power 5. Otherwise, you must no need to do calculation. See, add these two. Add these two. Simple calculation. X plus 1 whole power 6 plus x minus 1 whole power 6. So 6x power 5, 6x power 5 get cancelled. 20x cube, 20x cube get cancelled. Very easy. 6x minus 6x get cancelled. X power 6, x power 6, 2x power 6. 15x power 4, 15x power 4, 30x power 4. 15x square plus 15x square, 30x square. Plus 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now 2 is the common factor for all the 4 terms. 2 common, x power 6, 2 15 times. So 15x power 4. So 15x square plus 2 times of 1 plus 1. Okay, this is the expansion of x plus 1 whole power 6 plus x minus 1 whole power 6. Now we will find, hence or otherwise evaluate root 2 plus 1 whole power 6 plus root 2 minus 1 whole power 6. Now, root 2 plus 1 whole power 6 plus root 2 minus 1 whole power 6. What is the value of x here? Root 2. Substitute root 2. So, 2 times of root 2 power 6 plus 15 root 2 whole power 4 plus 15 root 2 whole square plus 1. Okay. See, 2 times root 2 power 6 is nothing but 2 power 3. Root 2 value, see, root 2 value is nothing but 2 power 1 by 2. What is the power here? 6. So, power 6. So, power 6. So, 2 3 times. So, answer 2 cube. 2 cube plus 15 root 2 power 4 is nothing but 2 square. Plus 15 root 2 square. 2 plus 1. That equals to 2 times 2 cube value 2 times 2, 2 times 2 4, 4 times 2 8, 8 plus 15 2 square value 4 plus 15 2 plus 1. Okay, so that equals to 2 times 8 plus 15 4 is the 60, 15 2 is the 30 plus 1. Okay, next. That equals to 2 times 60 plus 30, 90. 90 plus 8, 98, 99. 299 are 198.